Welcome to the series of Apache Kafka tutorial with Node.js. In this series, I will introduce Apache Kafka and show you how to build a data pipelines with it. In the previous video, I set up a single node Kafka broker and a Kafka drop web-based UI tool for monitoring Kafka clusters. You can check the link of the video in the upper right corner. Today, we will create two topics, publishing message to those topics and consuming message from those topics. So without extending the introduction part, let's get started. First one, the topic one, we will create from the client shell script that are available in the Kafka. We will explore the command line option in Kafka for managing topics as well as publishing and subscribing. To begin, we need to log into the Kafka container using the docker exec command. So I will open the terminal. And first I will check if our Docker are running or not by using the docker ps command. So you can see our Kafka broker is running, also the Kafka drop is running. So now I will enter into the controller. So now I will log into the Kafka container. The command is the docker exec -it and the container name, which is the Kafka broker. /bin/bash. So basically this command is used to gain access to the command line interface within the Kafka broker docker container. By running /bin/bash, it starts a bash shells within the container, enabling you to execute commands, exploring the container's file systems, perform configuration or troubleshoot issues interactively. The -it flags ensures an interactive sessions, allowing you to interact with the bash shells running inside the Kafka broker container as if you are working directly within a terminal on the host machine. So by running, I enter into this container. Now I will go to the bin directory for the Kafka. So cd /bitnami/Kafka bin. So the bin directory contains a number of shell scripts for Kafka management, publishing and subscribing. The bin directory contains a numbers of shell scripts that can be used to interact with Kafka. So if I listing, so you can see there is the shell script, the connect distributor, connect mirror, and we have the server start, server stop. I will use this Kafka topic.sh file to create new topic. So the command is /Kafka topic.sh and then the bootstrap server, localhost 29092, next create, and next the topic. I will name it the topic 1, and next the partition, and next the replication factor. So first we need to provide a link to the Kafka broker. This is provided with the parameter bootstrap server. Note that we are using the internal port 29092 as we are accessing the broker from the inside of the Docker cluster. Then we provide the name of the topic in the topic parameters, the topic 1. While this name can be any string, we then specify the two mandatory parameters, the number of partitions and the replication factors. We keep the partition size to 1 and the replication factor to 1. Since we only have one Kafka broker running, we will discuss the partition and the replication in the later videos. So I will execute it. And you can see it's created the topic 1. Now I will go to the Kafka drop to see the topics is created or not. So here in the Kafka drop, you can see the topics. Here the listing of the topics, the topic 1, it's created. And here is the topic. We don't have any message yet. So view message, we don't have no message found. Now I'll create the another topic from this Kafka drop. So I'll go to the new, and here the topic name, the topic 2. So whatever we have done from the terminal by using command, so I can do from the cup drop. So here the topic 2 and the number of partition will be 1 and the replication factor will be 1. So if I create, now the successfully created the topic 2. So if I go to back, and you can see the topic 1 and the topic 2. So what is topic? A topic in Kafka is an entity that holds messages. It's similar to a file that contains papers, where the messages represents the paper. It's similar to a database table that contains records where the messages represents the records. Topics can be considered as a queue for similar messages. Each topic supports multiple producers to publish data to the topic concurrently. Similarly, multiple consumers can consume data from the topic. Now I will getting the details about the topic from the from command. So the command is the /kafka .sh and -- bootstrap server will be the localhost 29092 same, and I will describe. Sorry, the bootstrap spelling is wrong. You can see where is the topic 2 and the topic 1. The topic, and you can see the partition 0 and the replicas 1 and the replication factor 1, partition count 1. So whatever we have given to the configuration. So I am clear and execute again. So this command is basically communicates with the Kafka broker running on the localhost at port 29092. The purpose is to gather information about all the available topics within the Kafka cluster connected to the broker. It retrieves and displays details about the existing Kafka topics. It's showing information such as the topic name and the number of partition, replication factors, and configuration settings associated with each topic. So this command provides a high-level summary of the Kafka topics present in the cluster connected to the specified brokers. Next, I will publish message to the topic 1. The command is, so I will use the shell script Kafka console producer.sh. And next I have to mention this bootstrap server. Next I have to mention the topic. So these commands basically, when executed, starts a console-based producer that connects to a Kafka broker running locally on port 29092. Once the producer is running, it's configured to send a message to the Kafka topic named the topic 1. So any text enter in the console after executing this command will be treated as a message and will be sent to the specified Kafka topic. This allows user to manually input messages that will be published to the specified Kafka topic in real time via the command line. So before publishing message, I want to consume this message to start the consumer. So I will log into the Kafka brokers and I will go to the same directory of the Bitnami, Kafka and bin folder. Here I will consume the message from the topic 1. So here I will use the Kafka console consumer, Kafka consumer.sh, and next is the bootstrap server, which is the localhost 29092, and it will consume from a message from the topic 1. So this command, when executed, it starts a console-based consumer that connects to a Kafka broker running locally on port 29092. Once the consumer is running, it's configured to read and display message from the Kafka topic name topic 1. Now if I any message I produce and send to the topic 1. The Kafka topic will the hello from producer. You can see, so basically the consumer here displayed the consume message in the console. Uh, so this allows user to see message being published to the specified Kafka topic 1 in real time via the command line. So if I message hi, this is Rojit Malik, and you can see it's consuming these messages from the producer. Now I will start the one more consumer that will listen from the topic 1. So here I wants to listen the message from the history, so that he can also get this message which already produced. So here this is the same as the previous command, the consumer. So the consumer one, if you see. But here's the significant difference. Here is the minus minus from dash beginning flag. By including minus minus from dash beginning, the consumer will start consuming message from the very beginning of the topic, meaning it will read all the message available in the topic starting from the earliest available offsets. So if I execute it, so you can see it's getting the older message. So this is particularly useful when you want to read all the historical messages in a topic rather than only receiving new messages that are produced after the consumer has started. The consumer will display all the past and the future message from the specified Kafka topic on the command line. So if I produce the new message to both the consumer. So you can see the new message to both the consumer. It's printed. Now, thank you. So you can see, and you can see the messages. Now, if I go to the calf drop and go to the topic 1 and view messages, I can see all the messages. Hello from the producer. Hi, this is Rojit Malik. New message to both the consumer and the thank you. Now I will publishing message to the topic 2. Here you can see that it's the producer which will publish message to the topic 2, and here is the consumer which will consuming message from the topic 2. So I will publish message. So hello from topic 2. So you can see, so the topic 2, here the topic 2 from the topic 2, this consumer consuming from the topic 2, and the topic 1, it's remains same. So this is topic 2. So now we'll see the message from the topic 2 in the calf drop. So if I view message, so you can see hello from the topic 2, and this is topic 2. So what is Kafka producer? A Kafka producer is responsible for publishing data to Kafka topics. It sends message to the specific topics within the Kafka clusters. Producer writes data to topics that are then made available to the consumers. Producer can send messages synchronously or asynchronously, and they specify the topic to which they are producing message. And if I come to the Kafka consumer, a Kafka consumer reads message from the Kafka topics. Consumers subscribe to specific topics to receive messages published to those topics by producers. They can read messages at their own pace, and they can be part of consumer group where multiple consumer collectively consume message from a topic, ensuring load balancing and fault tolerance. We will see the consumer grouping in the later video. That's all for this video. In the upcoming video, we will explore the more things in the Kafka, we will explore the partition and the replication factor. So keep watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Okay, thank you.